Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we are going to work on a simple Python project, and the name of the project is a number guessing game. We are going to learn a lot from this project as I will be explaining how to use random module in Python to generate a random number, and we are going to implement the use of function in building out this project. With that being said, let us dive in. First of all, we need to understand how this number guessing game works. We are going to allow our user to guess a particular number. Then we are going to give them some hints if their guess is low or high. So let me import my random module here by simply saying import random. So this is what we're going to use to generate our secret number. In fact, let me show us on how we can implement the use of random here to generate our secret number. Let's say I have a variable name called secret number. Then I'm going to use my random module by simply saying random dot rand int. This is actually a method that we can use to generate a sequence of number 1 to 10. Then I'm going to print out my secret number. What I have actually done here is that I'm using this rand int method from our random module to generate a number from 1 to 10. So that is what this rand int is doing for us, just to generate a secret number. Then we are storing it inside our variable name. So let me run my file for us to see. Good, we have 4 here as our secret number. Let me run it again for us to see. We have 6 here as our secret number. Let me run it again. Good, we have 5 here as our secret number. So this is how we can generate a random number in Python by using this random module. Hopefully that makes sense. Now let us proceed on how we can implement the use of function in building out this our number guessing game. Let me have a comment here. Then I'm going to create my function here by simply saying def of number guessing game. Then inside this my function, I'm going to generate the secret number that the user is going to guess. I can have secret number is equals to random dot rand int from 1 to 10. What I am doing here is that we are going to generate a secret number between 1 to 10. That means we are going to have a number between 1 to 10. Then we are storing it inside our secret number. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to set up a while loop. I'm going to say while true. Then inside this while loop, I'm going to allow our user to guess a particular number. I can simply say user guess is equals to integer. Then I'm going to have my input function by simply saying input. Then I'm going to have my prompt here. I can say enter the guess number. Then what I'm going to do next is to check if the user guess is equals to the secret number we have generated here. So that is what we are going to use here by using the condition, the if elif else condition, to check the user guess if it matches with our secret number. So I can do that now by simply saying if the user guess is equals to my secret number, then I'm going to say print congratulations, you got it right. Then I'm going to break out of this while loop. I'm going to explain how this break function works in Python. If my user guess is less than the secret number, then I'm going to say print guess too low, or I can simply say too low, just to give the feedback to the user if they are guessing lower than the secret number. So just need to tell them if their guess is low or high. I can simply say too low, then they should try again. Else, I'm going to say print too high. So they need to guess again. I can say try again. Let me give a recap of what we have actually implemented here. We have a function here. Function is a block of organized code that we can use to perform a task. Then inside this function, we, we generate our secret number by using the random module. Then we set up a while loop, meaning that we are going to allow the user to guess the secret number. Then we are using the condition here to check if the user guess is equals to the secret number. Then if they have guessed the number, we are going to say print congratulations, you got it right. Then we are breaking out of this while loop, meaning that they have actually got the right secret number. Then if they have not actually get the secret number, we are going to say print too low, then they are going to guess the number again. Else we're going to say too high, then they're going to guess the number again. Then lastly, we are going to call out our function by simply saying number guessing game. So this is how we can call out our function by making use of it. So let us run our file to see. Good, we have enter the guess. Let me enter 5. Oh, I got it once. I have congratulations, you got it right. So that means the secret number the computer generated for us is 5. Let me run it again for us to see. Enter the guess number. Let me enter 7. Too high. That means I need to guess lower. Let me enter 5. Too high. Let me enter 4. Too high. Try again. Let me enter 3. Oh, congratulations, you got it right. So this is how we can implement our number guessing game. So let's run it last time for us to see. Good, enter the guess number. Let me enter 10. Too high, try again. Let me enter 5. Too high, so try again. Let me enter 4. Too high, let me enter 3. Oh, congratulations, you got it right. Hopefully that makes sense. So then the next feature I'm going to implement here is to keep track of how many times the user have guessed the number. That is actually a cool feature we can implement in our number guessing game. Then inside this my function, I'm going to have a variable. I'm going to call it attempt. Attempt is equals to 0. What I have done here, this is the variable that is going to keep tracks of how many times the user have guessed the number. Hopefully that makes sense. Then inside this my function, when the user have guessed the number, I'm going to add 1 to this our variable name. I'm going to say attempt plus is equals to 1. This is how we can add 1 to our attempt variable. So this is going to keep track of how many times the user have guessed the number. Then here I can simply say print you You can say the number in guess the number in attempts. So I have actually embed this my attempt variable here inside my function here. So that is what I've actually done here. So let me run my file again. I can say good, enter the guest number. Let me enter 5. 2i, let me enter 3. Oh, congratulations, you got it right. You guessed the number in 2 attempts. So this is how we can build our number guessing game. Let me run it again for us to see. Enter the guest number. Let me enter 7. 2i, let me enter 4. Too low, let me enter 5. Too low, let me enter 6. Good. Congratulations, you got it right. You guessed the number in 4 attempts. So this is basically how we can build out our number guessing game. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, and bye for now.